since I started to sell on Shopify, this is how much money I have made.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour.
Oh my god, what's up everyone? It's such a blessing to be alive. Do y'all guys feel the energy of life? Do you feel life running through your veins? My pillow just fell. Oh guys, I have to say I wanted to come on here and do this video because I did have a few people ask me a few questions, and I wanted to come on here and basically let you guys know what's up, because you know I don't gatekeep, that's one, and I don't try to keep information away from you guys. Before I get into the details, I don't have a riddle for today, so we're just gonna jump into a positive quote, and let's see if I find one that I like. Oh, I like this. See, life is good when you spend it with people who makes your heart happy. Listen, if you guys are surrounded by negative people or people in your life that are negative, remove yourself from the situation, okay? That's the best thing you could ever do for yourself. Take yourself out. I had someone ask me a question I was gonna do a Q&A, and I asked you guys to comment below. Someone asked me about my Etsy store and how I got started, and I was like, maybe I should just do a video about how everything has been so far for me. I started off with the Etsy store, Baddies in the Bag, and I first started off with digital products, because I feel like when you do digital products, it's less work, you know, because you just make the template, you just post the PDF, and once someone purchases, it's just the PDF just automatically gets sent to their email. So it's like there's no packing orders, there's no making orders, there's no making anything. It's like it's the easiest way to go. But what I realized is it does take a little time to start picking up. To be honest, when I started the Etsy store, I didn't even expect to get a sale. To be honest, like I didn't really understand how it works because I really didn't do a lot of research into it. But I can tell you guys that I've definitely learned a few things about Etsy, and one of the things I've realized caused me to transfer, or you know, like move to Shopify instead. So now I'm on Shopify. My Etsy store is still open, but I only keep digital products over there. So whenever someone purchases something, it automatically gets sent to their email. But what I wanted to say was the main reason why I decided to move from Etsy to Shopify was because I'm used to using Shopify, because this is not my first time, you know, trying to be successful in a business. The only reason why I used Etsy was because Etsy was a little cheaper in the point of monthly payments. Like I don't even think you pay monthly payments. I think they withdrew money out of your sales and like charge you a few cents to post listings, while Shopify charge you like, I think it's $30 a month. So that was the reason why I went on Etsy, to be honest, because I couldn't afford the Shopify at the time with everything that I had going on and me not having side hustles and stuff like that at that time. So the one main reason why I left Etsy was, well, not left because I'm still there, but why I don't like sell my tangible products on Etsy was because I realized that their shipping labels were more expensive than Shopify's. Like Shopify, they say they're giving you a discount as well, but what I realized was when I shipped something on Shopify, I was paying less for the shipping, more than like other than what I was paying on Etsy. And Etsy was giving me a little problems. I was trying to print a label one time and they told me, they were saying something like I had to call some number, and I called the number. The guy was trying to get my PayPal. I just didn't understand the whole thing. Like I felt like it was a scam. So that's one of the other reasons why I kind of just drifted from Etsy a little bit. Now I use Shopify. Shopify, they have a promotion going on where when you just sign up, I think you only pay $1 for 3 months. So you get 3 months for $1, and then they start charging you $30. I think it's $30 or $39 a month. So I started the Shopify store. I started with the basic plan, and then I upgraded to the other plan because I wanted to be able to edit my store, like what you guys are seeing. I wanted to be able to edit that. And with the basic, like the minimal plan for $5 that they had, I wasn't able to edit anything. So it was just like straightforward. All my products would be thrown on the front page, and it was just like blah. So I was like, nah, I'm just gonna upgrade and see how this goes. To be honest with you guys, I never thought that the business was gonna kick off so much. Like, I'm still in shock because I never thought that I was gonna be able to be sold out of stuff. And like, it's so shocking to me. Like, I'm still in shock right now. I could tell you guys this: when I started the YouTube, my plan was not to sell budget stuff. That was not my plan at all. But when I started and people started to ask me for the stuff and ask me about where I get this and ask me about where I got that, I was like, maybe it's a good idea. Maybe I should make these things and sell them, because obviously people like them. And I'm a very creative person. Like, I love to create stuff, and I think I'm pretty good at it too. So I was just like, okay, I know I'm creative. I know a lot of people aren't creative, and some people just don't have the time to make certain things. So why not just jump on Shopify and start selling the stuff, you know? It wasn't a main priority of mine when I started the channel. Like, I literally was just trying to showcase my cash budgeting journey and, you know, just try to get into the YouTube program while, you know, creating videos and talking and laughing and interacting with you guys. And then I just started to sell the stuff, and then all of a sudden everything just being sold out. So I remember the first time I posted some stuff on the site, I think they were the saving challenges. I just literally just printed them on cardstock, created them on Canva, printed them on cardstock, and put them on the website, and they sold so much. And I was like, whoa, do people actually buy these things? Like, the way that it's so easy to make, I'm thinking, why don't people just make it? But then I'm like, a lot of people are not that creative. A lot of people don't have that much time. It's a lot of factors that goes into it. So I was just like, maybe I should start selling them, you know? So that's when I started to sell them. I remember the first time I came on here and tell you guys what I was selling and what's available on the site and stuff. I made a good little change at that point. And then I started to order my own binders and, you know, design my own binders, customize them. And then people were like, you should sell them. I would buy one, this, that. So to be honest, you guys actually motivated me to sell my products. You guys motivated me, and from I started to sell it and I see how much everyone likes them, and now I'm always sold out. Once I put it, like once I post stuff, I'm sold out. People buy them out all the time. Like right now, at this current moment, I'm sold out. I placed an order. I've been trying. Okay, the thing is, I don't want to place an order for like a bunch of stuff and then they don't sell and then they sit here on me. Because what am I gonna do with budget? Binders, you know, if they don't sell? It's not like they're clothes, or, you know what I mean? So I didn't want to buy a lot. I'll buy like 20 or 30 binders, and then, you know, I'll see how it goes. But now I'm thinking probably I'm going to need to buy more, because now I'm sold out again, and then I've got to sit down and wait on the manufacturer to send me more before I could put them up on the site. You know what I mean? So now the business is kind of getting a little faster. I have had, it says here, 80 orders, 163 items ordered so far. And I started this, I think it was end of March, I think. And so far, I'm gonna tell you guys this: since I started to sell on Shopify, this is how much money I have made. $4,339.51 selling budget supplies. And y'all see what I be selling: the little saving challenges, the binders, the saving challenge coloring book, all that stuff. And this is literally what's going on. What is stopping you? What is stopping you from selling? What is it that's stopping you guys from pushing? What's stopping you from fighting? If you have a channel, I feel like you should definitely be pushing stuff. Like whatever you use in your budgeting and stuff, especially if you're a creative person, push those stuff, because you could be helping someone, because not everyone is creative. Not everyone have the tools to, create the stuff how they want them to be. So I feel like you need to get started on a little store. That's another little extra source of income for you. So far I could say that everything has been going good for me. I am still in shock. I'm so surprised. I can't believe it. It's like, whoa, everything's moving so fast. I can't believe how much I've made since I started selling budget supplies. Wow, I'm in shock. Since I have started this whole budgeting journey, this is basically, I've earned this. Let's just call it, for the month of April, I've earned $126 on YouTube. So far with this whole budgeting journey thingy, what are you waiting? What are you guys waiting on? Is what I would like to know. What are you guys waiting on? Come on, guys. Come on. We are here to grow together. We're here to build together. If you guys are into this thing, cash stuffing, and you make your channel or whatever, try to push your channel. I feel like if you put out a video every single day, I feel like you have more of a chance to build views, to build stuff like that, especially if you're a small channel and you're just starting out. But I just wanted to give you guys a little information, tell you guys what's been going on, so you guys can see, there's a lot of growth going on, which I'm very thankful for. And I wanted to also show you guys that you can do it as well, because listen, I'm a new cash budget. I've been doing this thing for years. Like a lot of people's excuse is, oh, I'm new to this. I don't really, nah, girl, listen, you're new. Let people go on the journey with you. And if there are people who have been doing it for years, it's okay if they comment and say, hey girl, I see you doing this, but this is the way to do it. That's fine. Like me, I'm okay with criticism. I like criticism because it makes me better and it makes me do something better. If I'm doing something wrong, I want you to tell me. You see what I'm trying to say? But don't be afraid to be criticized. I'm a new cash budgeter. I started March 1st, 2023, and I am making so much progress. You can do it too. So I want all of you guys who have the fare and want to start the channel and want to start the process and want to start all this, I want you guys to start it now. Start it now, okay? Start now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's always my pleasure to come on here and share a little information with you guys. I never leave y'all in the dark. But thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.